I'm the man programmed for amazement, but my head's been slammed to the pavement with a pipe in my mouth and a gram on my veins ring. Yeah, I rap about heroin a lot. I did heroin a lot. It was my therapeutic doctor. You can't prepare a man to stop bullshit. I inherited a lot, but I'm more rare than Chupacabra. But I still chew shrooms and drink lager, cranberry juice and chocolate vodka. Now I'm rocking a pelican jumpsuit. Yeah, I got it, I will set it, won't fuck you. I got the mozzarella, the mushrooms. I spit it a cappella like lunchrooms. I copped it from a fella named Sun Tzu. All that I'm not just yelling, yeah, I'm gonna confront you. Shut your mouth. I'll repunch you. That's it. Now grab a hold of your rosary beads, but no one knows where this road's gonna lead in. Your emotions are controlling your speeds, so slow it down, grab a hold of the key, put it in the ignition. You shouldn't just listen, I'm good as a Christian, I cook it and flip it. Talking about my books and my lyrics. All you rookies look like Snooki and you shook it's apparent. All you wussy see is pussy when you look in the mirror. I'm usually beautifully musically, my music is cherished. No middleman like a brewery, and I did shoot the sheriff the way I blew up the beat. I could be a terrorist the way hip-hop speaks to me. It should be a marriage, you rock so awkwardly. Your mommy probably embarrassed, it's obvious. Cause damage my marvelous esophagus is the topic of novelist. Run like a zombie apocalypse, vodka and chocolate pots in my pockets, it's obvious. Get a socket at you obnoxious bitch, get off my dick. I'm a monster with my lava spit. I'm a motherfucking problem. My pop should've wore the con. We never know what this life will bring. Maybe diamond rings never die for the king. But if you hurt what I love, homicidal's the theme. I just thank God for the beat and my vibe is unique. Throw 5 on a tree, throw 5 on a drink. Fucking throw another 25. I'm shutting eyes, collided with a G. The mental asylum's the street, injecting virus and beef. What am I gonna eat? Kitchen out what you see. I'm a narco beast. Society's trying me, I'm liable to tweet. Now I have that ice in my cheeks from the guys in the beat. Yeah, survivor the sweet. Everyone lies to compete. Can you taste it? It's a race, quick bitch, life isn't free.